This channel shows how sound waves are captured by sensors and transformed into visuals that breathe with rhythm today. By mapping frequency to color and amplitude to brightness, artists craft living canvases where notes shape glow vividly. Real-time demonstrations span wave tanks to interactive installations, where shifting notes sculpt evolving patterns and textures. Fourier relations explain the link between frequency and color cycles, and between spatial frequency and motion trails. From filament light to immersive projections, the fusion of acoustics and visuals invites tech lovers and art fans alike.